Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of the network diagnostics using the powerful Netstat tool. We often rely on antivirus and firewalls, thinking they fully protect us, but malware and hackers and still establish connections without being detected. This is where the Netstat command comes in. It allows us to see active connection in real time and immediately spot potential threats. If you suspect hidden malware or unauthorized background connection, this is exactly the tool that you need. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and open it as administrator. Once in the command line, type the command netstat -ano and click Enter. The output will show a list of apps and services using the network connection along with the protocol ports and the process ID or PID. For instance, if I consider the first PID number in my output, the 1728, as suspicious, I will investigate it to see if it's legitimate. To investigate a PID, you need to open Task Manager and select Details. You will see a window showing all the PID numbers or the services and programs running on your computer network. As you can see, that PID 1728 I was investigating earlier just turned out to be a legitimate process originating from Microsoft Windows. Now you might be wondering, saying, do I have to check manually every single PID and one by one? And the answer is absolutely not. And here is the trick I'm going to show you. Go back to CMD and run the command netstat-ano/user/public/netstat_results.txt. These will create a text file containing a copy of the entire output of the command netstat-ano, which was executed before at the beginning. Now open your preferred platform, type the prompt, analyze the Netstat log, and tell me if you see any suspicious connection or unknown processes. And attach the Netstat results txt file which you saved before. At this point you can press the enter, and the AI will analyze all of your active connection and the network activities, prompting you to take action if it spots suspicious programs and services running on your computer. I hope this video helped you out. If so, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, because your support is the best way to motivate me to create more content. Thank you.